Come on! What's the plan for today? Well, today I expect a very short vlog. Today is Saturday. Sure, I should be quite hype about it, but I'm quite tired. I think I only sleep like 5 hours today, damn it. So, I'm gonna have lunch with my friend. I was thinking about chicken rice. I think there's a hidden gem. Not many people know about it. It tastes very good. Big portion. Pretty okay, I guess. I think they're famous for their steamed chicken rice. I'm gonna bring my friend over, have some chicken rice. I hope you like it. Oh, someone's coming over. Let him pass. Oh, big ballsy. Just cut me at that. But I think it's fine.哦，我们到了古晋最好吃的 Hidden Gem， 哇聊哎，哇你来看一下这个，哇，来，我们带你去吃 Hidden Gem。哇 Hidden Gem。哇，好聊。
好食，好料，
挺好吃的。
一定要先个先。
Things over there?
Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up when both of us are from Kuching.
From here onward, it's going to be raw POV.
please like and subscribe.
Asshole.